In the long story of human civilization, some of the most powerful allies to our health have not been exotic or rare, but small and humble. Hemp seeds are one such example, tiny grains that carry the wisdom of thousands of years and the energy of life itself. At first glance, they look simple, almost ordinary, but within each one lies a remarkable collection of nutrients. They are proof that nature often hides greatness in plain sight. Long before modern nutritionists began measuring omega ratios and amino acid profiles, ancient cultures had already embraced hemp seeds. In China, hemp was cultivated as early as 8,000 years ago, making it one of humanity's first domesticated crops. Its seeds were eaten for strength, its fibers woven into clothing, and its oils used in medicine. The plant was so versatile that it became a foundation of survival, feeding bodies and clothing generations. What makes hemp seeds truly extraordinary is their complete protein profile. They contain all 9 essential amino acids, something rare in the plant kingdom. This means they can help build and repair tissues, support enzymes, and fuel every cell in your body without relying on animal sources. For those following a vegan or vegetarian lifestyle, hemp seeds are a game changer, delivering clean, easily digestible protein in every spoonful. But protein is just one chapter of their story. Hemp seeds are rich in essential fatty acids, omega-3 and omega-6, in the perfect ratio for human health. These fats keep your heart strong, your joints flexible, and your brain sharp. They are also anti-inflammatory, helping the body recover from stress, exercise, and illness. Your skin, too, benefits from the power of hemp seeds. The healthy fats they contain keep it hydrated and supple, while antioxidants protect it from the damage of time. Unlike fish oils, hemp seeds have no risk of heavy metal contamination, making them a safe plant-based source of vitality. They are also packed with essential minerals: magnesium to calm muscles and nerves, zinc to strengthen immunity, iron to oxygenate the blood, and phosphorus to fortify bones. Just a handful can deliver a nutrient boost that powers you through the day. It's no wonder that athletes, monks, farmers, and travelers have all turned to hemp seeds for energy throughout history. Ancient healers in Asia considered hemp a balancing food. They believed it could harmonize the body's energies and restore health in times of imbalance. Modern science now supports this ancient wisdom, showing that hemp seeds help regulate cholesterol, balance hormones, and improve digestion. Their fiber content supports a healthy gut microbiome, feeding beneficial bacteria that protect your immune system. And because they are naturally gluten-free, they are safe for those with sensitivities or celiac disease. For people looking to improve digestion while still enjoying nutrient density, hemp seeds are a rare find. The beauty of hemp seeds lies in their incredible versatility. Their soft, nutty flavor makes them easy to enjoy in both sweet and savory meals. Sprinkle them on salads, blend them into smoothies, or mix them into oatmeal for a creamy, protein-rich start to the day. Add them to energy bars for a satisfying snack, or bake them into bread for a boost of nutrition. Cold-pressed hemp seed oil is equally remarkable. It carries the same healthy fats as the seeds themselves and makes a beautiful addition to salad dressings and dips. Just remember, this oil is delicate, so it's best enjoyed raw to preserve its healing properties. Beyond nutrition, hemp is a miracle of sustainability. It grows quickly, thrives in diverse climates, and requires very little water compared to other crops. It needs no pesticides or herbicides, making it gentle on the land and safe for the environment. Its deep roots improve soil health, preventing erosion and restoring nutrients for future harvests. Every part of the plant serves a purpose. The stalk provides strong fibers for textiles, paper, and ropes. The leaves can be used as mulch or compost, returning organic matter to the earth. And the seeds, the heart of this story, offer nourishment that rivals the most celebrated superfoods in the world. By choosing hemp seeds, you are not just feeding yourself. You are supporting a sustainable food system that works in harmony with nature. It's a choice that benefits your body and the planet at the same time. In an era of environmental challenges, this is a food that proves we can nourish ourselves without destroying the world around us. In the noise of modern marketing, where superfood labels are thrown around too easily, hemp seeds stand out as the real deal. They have earned their title through centuries of use, not through flashy packaging. They are living history, connecting us to ancient farmers, healers, and travelers who understood their value long before we had laboratories to prove it. From the battlefields of ancient China to the kitchens of health-conscious families today, hemp seeds have remained a constant companion. They fuel the body, calm the mind, and leave the earth better than they found it. They are a reminder that true power doesn't always roar. Sometimes it comes quietly in the form of a seed. So the next time you hold a spoonful of hemp seeds, remember that you are holding thousands of years of wisdom and nourishment. They are more than food. They are a legacy of resilience, sustainability, and health. In their smallness lies a greatness that has fed civilizations and can help guide us toward a healthier future. Hemp seeds are not just a superfood, they are the Earth's quiet gift. And it is time we finally listen to what they have been saying all along. Like and subscribe to stay with us on this delicious journey through the world's most powerful and fascinating foods.